guys, I'm Aishwarya. Today we are going to see about calendar. Okay, we all know 1 week contain 7 days and 1 year contain 365 days. In 365 days, we have 52 weeks plus 1 odd day. So 52 weeks plus 1 odd days. So in leap year, we have same 52 weeks but just 2 odd days. Okay, we all know this. I'm going to teach you a shortcut of the calendar. You can finish sum in 30 seconds. It's very easy method. You can use this time for very difficult time and work question, any other questions. So we want to know about three things: day, month, and year representation. So we are going to see about that today class. First we are seeing a day. Okay. Day representation. Zero is represented as Sunday. Okay. One is represented as Monday. Okay. Two is represented as Tuesday. Three is represented as Wednesday. Likewise, four is represented as Thursday. Okay. Five is Friday. Six is Saturday. You already know. You can easily remember this. 0 is Sunday, 1 is Monday, and 2 is the Tuesday, 3 is Wednesday, 4 is Thursday, 5 is Friday, and 6 is Saturday. You have to remember this. Then we are moving to month. Month in month. We have 12 months in first Jan and October as 0, present as 0. Then May is represented as 1. So first May is a worker day. So you can remember like the May is 1 easily. Second August is 2 because we have August. In August we have 2 U's. So we can remember like 2. Okay. We are moving to 3. In 3 we have 3 months: Feb, March, and November. All is represented as 3. Okay. In fourth, uh, June is the fourth. Always school open on June 4th. So you can do like that. Next is this and December and September. September 5 is a teacher's day. So you can do like 5. The final one is April or July. Is indicated as 6. How we are indicating this means wait, I will show you. In before January there is no month, so January contain 31 days. In this 1 week consists of 7 days, so totally uh, 4 weeks is in January and 3 extra days. Okay, 4 into 7 is 28 and 3 extra days. You know, we have January till 31, so we have 3 extra days. So it's carried to February. So February is indicated as 3. Okay, likewise all the months are indicated. So we are going to see about year. Okay, year. Here 1600 to 1699 is represented as 6. Okay, 1702, 1799 is represented as 4, and then 1800 to 899 is represented as 2, and then 992 1999 is represented as 0, and then 2002, sorry, 2002 2099 is represented as 6. Okay. uh, Mostly they will ask in 1900 to 199 or 2000 to 2099. The year fall between uh, if we take for example 1947 is fall between 1900 to 1999, so we have to represent as 0. Okay, like this we see more example, you will understand very well. Okay, we are going to examples now. Going to see first example. The how the question will be asked means what was the day of the week on, uh, for example we can take 26 Jan 1947. Wait, I will type. Okay, what was the week on, for example we are taking 26 Jan 1947. We have only 5 steps, we can solve it easily. Okay, we can go to first step. First step is take last digit of year, 2 digit of year. Okay, last 2 digit of year is 47, so we are taking 47. Second step is uh, divided by 4. By 4 we have to take, we should divide 47 by 4. Have to take a quotient. Quotient for 47 by 4 divided by gives a quotient as 11. So we are taking 11. Okay, we are moving. Sorry, we are moving to the third step. Okay, in third step you have to take date as it is. Okay, date is 26, so we are taking as 26. Fourth one is month. Already said Jan month. Jan month is once again we have to see Jan month is represented as 0, so we have to take 0 here. Okay, uh, fifth one. Fifth step is final step. So year. Year they are given as 1947. So 1947 fall between this one. So we have to take represent as 0. So we are representing as 0. By adding these 5 steps, we should add, by adding this, right? Okay, by adding this we can get answer of 84. Okay, now next step is we should divide 84 by 7. Because 1 week contains 7 days, we have to find the days, so we have to divide by 7. So you should take remainder, not a quotient. So remainder of this one is will give us is 0. So we already know uh, this days 0 is represented as Sunday. So we can, we can tell that April, not April, wait, 26th January 1947 is Sunday. By seeing the remainder, we can tell. If remainder is 1, we have to go to Monday. 2 means Tuesday. Likewise. Okay. The answer is Sunday. Next, we are moving to next question. Second question. Same question. We have to take different date. 24 May 2020. We are taking this one. So, in this, first step is last two digit. Last two digit of year. So, we are taking 20. Next is second step, divided by 4. No, 4. 20 divided by 4 will give the quotient as 5. You already know. 0, 5. So, next step is third step is date. Date. Date is when date is 24. So, we are doing next step. Next step, go to month. In this, May is given. For May, we already know May represent as 1. So we are to represent as 1. So in this place we have to put 1. Okay, 0, 1. Next we are moving to finally, fifth step is final step, moving to year. Okay. Year is 2020. So it will fall between this. So we have to represent as 6. Okay. 0, 6. By adding this, okay, by adding this we can get 56. So 56. You already know 56 divided by 7. You have to take remainder. So remainder is 0. So 0 is have to find the day. So 0 is represented as Sunday. So 24th May 2020 is also Sunday. So answer is Sunday. Okay. Third question. We are moving. This is different way question. Different question. Today is Monday. After 30 days, what is the day? Okay. This is very easy question. We have to take the 30 given, sorry, days. You have to take the 30, should divide by 7. You already know 1 week is contains 7 days. So we have to by 7. In this also we have to take remainder. In this remainder is 2. Okay. In this case, okay. In this case, we have to add upon 2 with Monday. So Monday plus 2 days. Tuesday, Wednesday. So answer is Wednesday. So Monday plus 2 days is Wednesday answer. Okay. This question very simple. And we are moving to fourth example. Fourth example is also different question. On what day, on what date, okay, of April 2001 did Wednesday stay for? Okay, Wednesday fall. We don't know about that any date. We know about only year and month. In this case, we have to assume the date. First, we have to find 1st April is which date? Which date? Okay, to 1st April 2001. Same step here also. The same 5 step. First step is last 2 digit. Okay, last 2 digit is 2001. Second step is divided by 4. So 01 divided by 4 will give the quotient as 0. So no need to define that. Already know. Third one is a date. So date will be taking as 01. Okay. And fourth step will be Monday. Month. Okay, month is, you already know month is April. For April, uh, April is represented as 6 year. Okay, so we have to put 6. Okay, we have to put 06. Final step is year, you all know. Fifth step. Okay, fifth step. You have to add year. Year is 2001. Will fall on 2002. This 2099. So you have to represent as 6. Okay, 06. By adding these 5 steps, we are getting 14 as answer. Okay, so 14 divided by 7 will get the remainder as 0. Okay, you know already 0 is represented as Sunday. So 1st April is Sunday. So we have to find what is the question. On what date of the April 2001 did Wednesday fall? So April 1st is Sunday, means second is Monday, third is Wednesday, Tuesday, and fourth is Wednesday. So answer is 4th April. You can easily find. Okay, it is easy way to find this question calendar. Yeah, many ways. This is one kind of shortcut. If you learn this, you can easily solve this uh, very easily. We can see also one more sum also. It's very easy. Different kind of sum. Okay, I write the question here. Given as Jan 4 2016. Okay, falls on, falls on Monday. What day of the week thus Jan 4 2000 2017. Okay, 2017 lies. Okay, this is the question. Okay, this is very simple. uh, normal or ordinary, you can say anything. Normal year contain one odd day. Okay, leap year contain 2 odd days. Already said this. 2016 is leap year. Is the last 2 digits divided by 4 means it's leap year. Okay, so the question Jan 4 2016 is is Monday. Okay, it's a given question. We have to add plus 2 days because 2016 is a leap year, so 2 days we have to add. So Monday plus 2 days, Tuesday, Wednesday. So 2004, two, Jan 4, 2017 is Wednesday. You can easily say you have to add plus 2 because of 2016 is leap year. Okay, plus 2 days. Okay, we can say Jan 4 same day on 2017 they asked. So is Wednesday. You can easily consider and find the answer. Okay, the calendar is very easy. Two more sums. Thank you guys.